The Brazos Valley is center stage to one of the most powerful future industries in Texas, biotechnology. Fueled by Texas A&M University, research development, and a pro-business atmosphere, company leaders are finding unprecedented growth, expansion, and opportunities in the biotech industry. Life sciences companies from every sector, including plant, animal, and human health, are located here. We're the geographic hub of the economic powerhouse known as the Texas Triangle, strategically positioning companies near the largest metro areas in the state. The Brazos Valley is home to Texas A&M University, a premier partner to address your needs. A&M continues to rank among the best in attracting government and corporate funding. Total annual research expenditures have surpassed $1 billion.
The BioCorridor is actually a relatively new development here in Bryan College Station. It's part of an acceleration and an excitement around biotech, health tech across the university and certainly within the community. So we're seeing more and more companies move in. We've had a number of companies here that you see very prominent in the BioCorridor, including iBio, Fujifilm, really big players in the world of contract development and manufacturing. So as you see these companies that either been here for a number of years or are relatively new on the scene, it just starts to accelerate this development of an ecosystem around biotech and health tech.
Fujifilm Diosynth Biotechnologies is a world-leading pharmaceutical contract development and manufacturing organization. Their gene therapy and vaccine development efforts continue to expand at their Brazos Valley campus.
So Fujifilm Diosynth Biotechnologies is a world-leading contract development and manufacturing organization. We came to College Station in 2014. At that time, when we came here, we were about 90 employees, 2 customer programs. Today, we're at over 550 employees. 30 customer programs with over 40 different projects. For the past 12 months here in College Station, we've been focused on building facilities and manufacturing a COVID vaccine for the US government.
iBio is pioneering the next generation of biologics manufacturing by offering unique capabilities in vaccine and therapeutic manufacturing through their eco-friendly, plant-based CDMO.
iBio makes custom proteins serving a lot of different industries. We can make commercial, therapeutic, diagnostic, all manner of different proteins. The advantage that we have is we use a plant-based system to make these proteins, and the focus of the company now is of course to serve our clients, but also to develop our own proprietary therapeutic products, and we're focusing on fibrosis and oncology.
Advanta makes a global impact in agriculture, working to solve food security challenges through their seeds. The company operates their R&D center focused on molecular, breeding, and data science in the Brazos Valley.
My company works in the field of ag biotech, so agriculture biotechnology is what we do. We develop and commercialize seeds.
ST Genetics is a leader in livestock reproduction, providing innovative beef and dairy cattle genetics and biotechnologies. The company calls the Brazos Valley home to their international operations.
Our company has technologies in both reproduction and genetics, and we apply those technologies to the livestock industry. Well, the Brazos Valley has a huge history of agriculture, and with Texas A&M here and with the livestock farms that are around here, we've found vast resources here that we can tap into both technically but also operationally. A lot of people know how to handle animals, which is something that we need.
Born in the Brazos Valley, GCON Manufacturing is an innovator in cleanroom security manufacturing.
We manufacture, commission, and deliver prefabricated cleanrooms for pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical development. We started here in 2009 with about 8 employees and 12,000 square feet of rented warehouse space, where now we have 253,000 square feet of space and 250 employees, and really kind of reach the entire globe from there.
The readiness and stability of the Brazos Valley's infrastructure include a talented local workforce. Companies here have access to Texas A&M University's enrollment of more than 70,000. More than 14,000 students have majors related to life sciences at our regional institutions.
The biosciences has a large presence on the A&M campus across engineering and agriculture, veterinary medicine, the health sciences. So it's a very broad and large population of students.
Since April of last year, we've hired over 300 new employees. Part of that was a ramp up for COVID manufacturing. Of those 300 we sourced, 50% came from the local area. Hiring local it's the best thing for us. If you hire local and those people are committed to the area, they plan to stay with us, and the recruiting cycle is a lot less.
Growth locally, we actually have an internship program that we run every year, and last year we actually kept 3 interns on as employees.
We rely on the local workforce in a couple of ways. We need great engineering resources, which Texas A&M has, and we also need skilled labor. This area and the outerlying areas have tremendous skilled workforce, and we take great advantage of that.
Our community is investing in workforce and infrastructure. From higher education to local school districts, we're preparing future workers for jobs in advanced manufacturing and research.
The future of biotech here looks very bright. I think of it as emerging Silicon Valley in some ways for the biotech industry. We have found great relationships that are advancing our business.
In the past couple of years, even the past couple of weeks, we've seen smaller biotech companies coming in. For me, I see this is going to be the biotech growth area.
At Texas A&M, the university and the system have prided ourselves in entering into these types of partnerships to bring solutions to society versus keeping things inside of a single lab.
Being able to show that it can be done and it can be done well, and there is an ecosystem here, that's really big for this area.
And as new biotech companies join our community, their industry partner is the Brazos Valley Economic Development Corporation.
We arrived here in 2014. We were welcomed with open arms by the local community. The BVDC has always been a text or a phone call away, just if we need help with incentives or state regulations or even just introductions.
Together, our community continues to support local innovators, taking on the challenges of tomorrow. You're invited to start your next chapter here.